Hello student, my name is Jaydeep Bampuria and I will take your general knowledge. So let's start. First, Indian languages. India has 22 major languages. Hindi and English are the two officially languages of the Union of India. Filling the blanks using help box. Use help box and give answer. First blanks is the one of the most spoken India language in the world. Filling the blanks using help box. First is one of the most spoken Indian language in the world. Answer is Hindi. Second, blanks is the officially language of Union Territory of Lakshadweep. Second, answer is Malayalam. Third, blanks is the state language of Uttarakhand. Answer is Sanskrit. 4. Hindi is written in the blank script Devanagari. 5th, blanks is also officially language in Singapore and Sri Lanka. Answer is Tamil. 6th, Gitanjali, for which Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize, was written in blanks Bengali. 7. Blanks and blanks languages have evolved from a language called Maharashtrian Prakrit. Answer is the Marathi and Konkani. 8. Blanks is the officially language of the state of Punjab. Answer is Punjabi. 9. In 2008, the Government of India awarded blanks the designation of classical language status. Answer is Kannada. 10. Blanks is the officially language of the state of Assam. Answer is Assamese. 11. Blanks is the known as the Italian of East, as where every single word in this language ends with the vowel sound like an Italian. Answer is Telugu. Blanks is the state language of Jammu Kashmir. Answer is Urdu. Second, social reformer. A social reformer is a person who tries to change or improve the existing social system for better. In India, several great reformers have devoted their lives to improve the condition of the society, especially in the underprivileged section. Identify the social reformer based on the description given below. Use help box to written their names. First, he was the founder of the Brahmo Samaj. He was known for his effort to abolish the practice of sati and child marriage, caste system and illustration. The answer is Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He was the chief disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahansa. He introduced the Vedanta and yoga to the Western world. He was also the founder of Ramakrishna Math and the Ramakrishna Mission. Answer is Swami Vivekananda. Third, he was the founder of Arya Samaj. He supported human right of education, intercaste marriages and widow remarriages. Answer is the Dayanand Saraswati. 4. She was the first woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress. She was also the founder of Theosophical Society of India. Answer is the Annie Besant. 5th, popularly known as Baba Saheb, he is also regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution. He worked to remove social evils like untouchability and caste-based discrimination. Answer is the B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. 6th, he was one of India's foremost environmental activities. He was also renowned leader of the Chipko movements. Answer is the Sundarlal. Third, Indian art. India has always been known for its culture vibrancy. Ancient Indian folk painting and art styles have been passed from one generation to another. They are still practiced in different parts of the country. Match the description with the names of the art forms they represent. First, it is an art of dyeing fabric, cotton or silk fiber are wrapped in bundles and tied with water-resistant material. Then they are dipped in colors. Once dyed, the fibers are woven into beautifully designed cloth. Odisha and Andhra Pradesh are famous for this art. Answer is Ikat. Second, it was originally created by the Warli tribe in the western Ghat of India. In these art forms, circles, triangles, and squares are commonly used of form numerous shapes. All of painting are done in with white colors on dark red background. Answer is the Warli painting. Third, popular in Andhra Pradesh, this art form involves the use of kalam for freehand drawing and painting and brush to fill in colors and make pattern on cloth. Answer is kalamkari. Fourth, it involves dyeing a piece of cloth with thread at several points and then dipping into the dyes. Once dry, the thread are removed, creating one colorful patterns on the cloth. Rajasthan and Gujarat are famous for it. Answer is Bandhani. Fifth, it is also known as Mithila art. It is identified by line drawing filled in with bright colors. This style of painting is traditionally done by the women of Bihar. Answer is Madhubani painting. Sixth, this is the style of embroidery. In this style, craft persons create floral patterns of fabrics using needles and threads. Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh is the famous for this style. And answer is the chicken curry. Fourth, famous artist. An artist is a person who is skilled in any form of fine arts. An artist can be a poet, musician, painter, dancer or singer. Read the clue and fill the missing letter to complete the names of the famous Indian artists. Indicate by them. Use help box to complete the names. So first, he is an Indian poet who is popularly known as the Gurudev. He became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Second, he is the famous Indian painter and film director in 2004. He directed the movie Meenakshi, A Tale of Three Cities. Answer is M.F. Hussain. Third, she was Indian People Woman photojournalist. Google honored her on her 104th birthday anniversary with the doodle titles First Lady of the Lens. Answer is the Homai Veeravalla. Fourth, popularly known as the Pandit Birju Maharaj, he is the most renowned face on Indian Kathak dance all over the world. Answer is Brij Mohan Mishra. Fifth, she is considered as the one of the most famous female painter of the 20th century. Her mother was the Hungarian and father was the Indian. Answer is the Amrita Shergill. 6. She was the popular Indian poet and a freedom fighter. She was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in the year 1988. Answer is the Mahadevi Verma. 7. She is an Indian film and television actress. She is also an accomplished Bharatnatyam dancer. She started her career with Telugu film called Mayuri, which was based on her own life. Answer is the Sudha Chandran. 8. He was the Indian playback singer, actor, comedian and lyricist. Half Tickets, Padosan and Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi are some of his famous movies. Answer is Kishore Kumar. 9. He was an Indian musician credited with popularizing Sehnai. She was awarded the Bharat Ratna in the year 2001. Answer is Bismillah Khan. 10. She is an Indian playback singer. She made her debut in Bollywood playback singing with famous movie Devdas. Answer is the Shreya Ghoshal. 5th, hill stations. The Himalayan, Vindhya and Aravalli range in India have several beautiful hill stations which are popular tourist destination. Name the hill stations described below using help box. First, it is one of the few evergreen forests in India. It is situated in the Western Ghat in Maharashtra. Answer is the Mahabaleshwar. Second, it was the summer capital of India during the British Raj. At present, it is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. It is referred to as the Queen of Hills. Answer is the Simla. Third, it is the small town in the Kumaon district of Uttarakhand. It is often referred to a Lake district of India. Answer is the Nainital. 4. Popularly known as the Valley of Gods, this hill station is located along the banks of River Beach. Answer is Kullu. 5th, this hill station is famous for its tea estate. It offers a magnificent view of Mount Kanchenjunga. The toy train that runs there has a historic importance and is a popular tourist attraction. Answer is the Darjeeling. 6th, it is the capital of Meghalaya and it is widely known as a Scotland of East Shillong. 7. Known as the Well of Nilgiri, it is the serene and one of the most popular hill stations in Tamil Nadu. Answer is the Ooty. 8. It is located at the confluence of three mountain valleys, Muthiripizha, Nalanthani and Kundla. It is one of the most enchanting hill stations in Kerala. Answer is the Munnar.